Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for a customer with, I believe, initial JC. Let me lower the volume because Google may penalize me. Give me a second. So this board was sent to us for repair with a complaint that it doesn't start. Hopefully customer will be able to recognize that should be their handwriting, but it had two problems, and I want to show you one of them while I'm here. We cleaned it as much as we could. There was a dead roach here, and there are discolorations from chemicals that the roaches release. There are acids that are eating through the cover of the board. They're more visible on the back side, and there's not good enough light, but it is bad down there. There are tracks that are just on the verge, and solders that are just on the verge of getting rotten, and they can stop working at any minute. And there was also the other problem, which is typical for those boards, which is the main processor, and we did reball it, and it did come up, oddly enough, but we don't know for how long it will work, and customer was informed of that and offered several options. One of them was to see the TV working, and got no warranty for it. Here's the volume. Yeah, I'm not going to be holding it for long because YouTube will take the video down. Menu is coming up normally. Colors are fine. I don't know why the video has pinkish. I think that's normal for the video. I cannot change it, unfortunately, because it comes from a Google plug that is controlled by the same phone that I'm using to make that video. Hopefully this is long enough. I promise for something like a minute to two. It is working, that's all I can say, and we will be sending it back. Thank you very much.